Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni ugite ati no nginyagia mubango wa waaki wa nyumba cia thogora wa thii ukinyanire kuna ati mabũrũri maria mathiete na mbere ni marũmĩrĩire njira ota iyo na igakinyanira. Oho Ruto ni akumithitie atongoria aria mararegana na uhoro ucio akiuga ni uru maraigua ni gukorwo thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza niyo iraruta wira ucio no tio.
We will implement the housing program. I don't want to say by whatever means possible. I have just said we will implement. We will. Because it is what other progressive countries have done. It has worked. And even those who are opposed to the housing program, it is not because they don't know that it is the right thing. Their problem is that it is us who are implementing, not them. They feel like crying because they can actually see this housing was actually possible.
Akiaria uhoro wa irio Ruto ni augite ati bururi wa Kenya ni wihotanĩire muno kuona ati wagi wa irio ni wahutĩtie thĩ yothe ni undu wa ucenjia wa rĩera na ukia. Na Ruto ni oretie atongoria kunyitanĩra na ministry ya urimi gutigirira fertilizer cia thogora wa thĩ ni ciakinyanira icigo-inĩ ciao.
One of the big successes that we have had is on matters food security. I think it is a big issue. We had a situation where we had a crisis, and the crisis was not limited to Kenya. The crisis was global because of what happened with conflicts around the globe, because of matters of climate change, because of the drought. I want to ask all of us here as leaders to look out, you as members of parliament, look out, make sure that you work with the ministry to make sure that your constituents, your regions, your areas have access to subsidized fertilizer. We have standardized the cost of fertilizer as 2,500 for all fertilizers.
Oho Ruto ni ugite ati thirikari ni thondekete tabarĩra cia gutigirira arutwo aria marikia cukuru ni mona mawira na nikio marehete tabarĩra cia nyumba cia raithi niguo kuhe ayuthi mawira ma kuruta.
It will be irresponsible for us not to think about when these young people come out of university, college, and school, what happens to them. And it is the reason why we intentionally put housing as one of the programs for us to deliver the transformation of Kenya and also create jobs.
Handu-ini hake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ni oretie ma minister kunyitanagira na atongoria athure ota uria mutongoria wa bururi anyitanagira na atongoria othe.
You are in the national government, and these are the people we work together in the national government. Let us involve them. And if the president has time to engage them, I have time to engage them. You should also have time to engage them. And I also want to plead with our CSs and our PSs, don't relegate consultation of elected leaders to your personal assistance.
Mekwaragia mari kigomano-ini kia abunge na maminista Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Derek Gathũmbĩ.